Becky with Bee Mom. Join me while we make a yummy treat. we'll check it in 40 minutes. And when it's nice and cool, we'll taste a little bit of it. So we'll be back in just a little bit. But let's taste it. Oh, yummy. That crumb topping is sweet and crumbly. And that cream in there just makes those berries taste so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed it. Now listen, if you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe. We also have another side on the other playlist called Books on Bee Mom, where I read children's stories and I do some parent things. This week we're gonna go to the library with that. So if this looked like fun, then you click that like button. If you have any suggestions, if this is a cool way to see a recipe being done, then you just let me know about that. If you think it doesn't quite work out, then let me know that too, because I'm trying new things and trying to get stuff established. And I always enjoy getting time with you guys. So thanks so much. Thanks for joining me on Bee Mom today.